Setting up shipping rates in WooCommerce can feel limiting and confusing, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Flat Rate Shipping plugin by DotStore to create both simple and advanced shipping rules, based on product type, cart value, weight, shipping zones, and more. Whether you're just starting out or scaling your store, this guide will help you get full control over shipping costs. So, let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're interested in a complete step-by-step tutorial on WooCommerce shipping, we have a separate video tutorial available. You can find the link in the description below. Go and check it out. Now let's begin our discussion on setting up simple and advanced WooCommerce shipping rates using our advanced flat rate shipping plugin. First of all, install and activate the DotStore Flat Rate Shipping plugin. Once you do so, go to the DotStore plugins and flat rate shipping options from the right sidebar menu in your admin area. This is the main menu page where you can manage rules and create as many flat rate shipping options as you want. To create a new shipping rule, just click on the Add New button. So let's create our first basic flat rate shipping option. To do that, click on the Add New button here. Enter the shipping title here, whatever you want, like normal delivery, and enter the shipping name, which will be visible to your customer on the cart and checkout pages. Then define the shipping amount, so let's add $10. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here are the conditions. We need to apply a $10 flat rate for all customers who order from the United States. So let's select the country as the United States from here. That's it. Now click on the Save Changes button. So now all customers who order from the United States will be charged a $10 flat rate shipping fee. Simple and easy, right? Now let's go beyond the basic configuration. In the Flat Rate Shipping plugin, you have 25 plus conditions and parameters to set up flat rate shipping options. For example, you can create location-specific conditions, product-specific conditions, like based on categories, variable products, simple products, product quantity, and you can also create shipping options based on specific user groups and cart-based conditions. So just think about the rule you need and create it using our advanced conditional rules in the flat rate shipping options. You can see them here. Now let's see one example of an advanced flat rate shipping option. We'll create a new flat rate shipping option for the women category. And as a reward, we'll offer a free shipping option for customers who order above $500. Let's see how we can set that up using the Flat Rate Shipping plugin. First, click on the Add New Shipping Option button. Now, add a title for the shipping option, enter the shipping method name and the shipping amount. For example, $15. Now, if I want to offer free shipping when customers order above $500, I'll check this option. Here, you can decide the free shipping trigger based on a minimum order amount, a specific coupon, or for specific products. We'll set up a minimum order amount for now. Enter the free shipping label, like free shipping, and then set the minimum amount to $500. You can also choose to display the amount left for customers to qualify for free shipping, so they get an idea that if they add more items, they'll get the free shipping benefit. This is useful to help increase order value. Now we want to apply this shipping option only to the women category. So let's select the cart category condition from here, and in the options, select the category as women. Then save the changes. This is how we've set up an advanced shipping rule. Let's now see how it works on the front end to get a better idea. So first, we're on the front end of our WooCommerce store. Let's go to a product page and add a product from the women category to the cart. Now view the cart page. On the cart page, if you scroll down to the cart total section, you can see that the express delivery shipping option is currently visible here because the product we added to the cart is from the women's clothing category. Before we check further on express delivery, let's first check out the basic delivery option that we set up only for the country as the United States. So let's select the country as the United States from the address section and update the shipping address. Now if you see, we are able to view the normal delivery shipping option here, as well as the express delivery shipping option. The normal delivery is only available for the United States, and the express delivery is available for products from the women's clothing category. We have also enabled the free shipping option when a user places an order above $500. So let's see how we can get the free shipping. Since we enabled the free shipping message from our settings, you can see that a message appears here for the customer saying that if they add $445 more, they will be eligible for free shipping. Let's increase the quantity to reach the amount required for free shipping. Now our order total is above $500, so we are eligible for the free shipping option, as you can see here. This is how the advanced shipping option works with the flat rate shipping option. Now we can proceed to the checkout and complete our order with the free shipping option as usual, by filling in all the required billing details. Click on the Place Order button and you can see that we have successfully created our order with the free shipping option. And that's how you set up both simple and advanced WooCommerce shipping rates with the flat rate shipping plugin by DotStore. Want to give it a try? The link is in the description. For premium plugins, visit our website. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more WooCommerce tips like this. Thank you for watching.